two objectives for today. Destroy the enemy cruiser. This mission is of utmost importance.
Understood. Out. Waiting for orders, sir. Ready for your orders, Squadron Leader. Torpedo away! Ah! Get off me! Standing by for orders. Dropping bombs! Cruiser just got blown up. Objective completed. One step closer to victory. That was the last one. Good job. Standing by for orders. Acknowledged. Roger that, sir. Did you hear that, boys?
We've got some juicy targets lined up for you today. Protect our base at any cost. Destroy all enemy bombers. Engage all enemy fighters. This mission is of utmost importance.
Copy that, sir. I'm on it. Enemy bomber down. Got him in sight. Ah! Get off me! Ready for your orders, Squadron Leader.
Mission failed. Flight leader is down.
Ready for your orders, Squadron Leader.
Flight leader, we've got a new and vitally important mission for you. Protect our base at any cost. You have to focus your fire on enemy bombers. Destroy all enemy fighters. We're confident that you can handle this mission.
Copy that, Command. Torpedo away! Got him in sight. Get off me! The plane is going down. Enemy locked on. I'm closing in for the shot. Bomber no longer a threat. I have it. Bomber down. I have it. Get off me!
Abort the mission. Pilot is down. Squadron leader, stand by for your new orders. Protect our base at any cost. Destroy all... We've got some juicy targets lined up for you today. Protect our base at any cost. Destroy all enemy bombers. Destroy all enemy fighters. Completing this mission is of major tactical importance to the war effort.
We're on it, sir. Awaiting orders. Enemy locked on. I'm on it! Rocket away! I'm closing in for the shot. Rocket away! Ah! Firing rockets!
Flight leader down. Abort mission.